Let's talk about Ocean Beach. I have the real estate market report for the month of March for Ocean Beach. Let's dive into it and let's start with homes. Here we go. New listings in 2025, 25 homes came on the market, and in 2024, 21 homes came on the market. So that was an increase of 19%. Homes that went into escrow, 2025, 10. 2024, we had 8. So that was an increase of 25%. Homes that closed escrow, 2025 was 11. 2024 was 7. That was a 57.7% increase. Days on the market, 2025 was 49 days. 2024 was 26. That was an increase of time on the market of 88%. Average sales price, 2025 was $2,040,118. And in 2024, it was $1,837,000. So that was an increase of 11.4. Interesting. Homes stayed longer on the market, but the value has increased. That's been a theme throughout. And average month supply on inventory. We have 2025 was 2.9, 2024 was 3.2. So our supply for inventory was down 9.4%. Let's discuss townhome and condos. New listings, 2025 was 7, 2024 was 11. That was a decrease of 36.4%. Pending sales, 2025 was 5, 2024 was 9. That was a decrease of 44.4%. Closed sales, 2025 was 6, 2024 was 7. So that too was a decrease of 14.3%. Days on the market, 2025 was 15, 2024 was 18. That's interesting. And that was a decrease of 16.7%. Average sales price, 2025 was $823,333. 2024 was $731,857. So that was an increase of 12.2%. Even though townhomes and condos are staying on the market longer, the values are not dropping. And let's talk about supply of inventory. 2025 is 2.4, 2024 is 2.1. So inventory has increased at 14.3%. That has been a theme throughout. Inventory is increasing. Prices are not going down with either homes or condos. So buyers, if you think you're going to get a deal because it's the selling season and things aren't moving, the statistics tell you it's not. Things are moving, maybe a little bit slower, but the values have not decreased. If you want more information, or you want more information on the statistics, or you want me to come and talk to you about listing your home or buying a new home, feel free to DM me or call me. And remember, who you work with matters.